Good morning everyone. Welcome to online class of Modi Public School. In today's class we are going to discuss part 7 of chapter number 6 fractions, and the topic of today's class is word problems. We are going to discuss word problems which are given on page number 62 of your maths book. Let us first read question number 2. There was 4 by 9 liters of petrol in a can. Due to its open cap, 2 by 9 liters of petrol evaporated. How much petrol is left in the can now? Okay, here this word left is indicating that here something is deducting. Okay, so we have to find out how much petrol is left. So to calculate it, we have to subtract the total quantity of petrol and the quantity of petrol which got evaporated. So let us start. Firstly, we have written the total quantity of petrol in a can, that is 4 by 9 liter. Then quantity of petrol evaporated, 2 by 9 liters. Now we will calculate quantity of petrol left in can. So to calculate the left part, we have to subtract 2 by 9 from 4 by 9. As these are like fractions, we will subtract it directly, means the numerator will get subtracted. Now answer is 2 by 9 liter. It means 2 by 9 liter petrol is left now in the can. Let us now discuss question number 4. A piece of rope is 7 by 8 meter long. 3 by 8 meter is cut from it. Find the length of the remaining piece. Again, it is the same kind of question which we have discussed earlier. Here we have to calculate the length of remaining piece. So the length of remaining piece can be calculated by subtracting it. Okay, so let us solve it. So here we have written total length of the rope, that is 7 by 8 meter. Then the length of the piece which is cut out of it is 3 by 8 meter. Now we will calculate length of the remaining piece. Okay, so to calculate the remaining length of remaining piece, we need to subtract the length of the piece from the total length of the rope. Okay, so here we will write 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8. So it is 7 minus 3. So the length is 4 by 8. Now 4 by 8 can be reduced into its simplest form. 4 and 8 both are divisible by 4. So we will divide it by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So it is 1 upon 2 meters. It means the length of the remaining piece of the length is 1 by 2 meters. Okay, half meters. Let us now discuss question number 6. Question number 6 is, Reena travelled 8 by 13 kilometer by car and walked 4 by 13 kilometers. Find the total distance covered by her. So to calculate the total distance, we need to add these numbers. Okay, to calculate the total distance. Okay, so here we have written distance covered by car. The distance which she has covered by car is 8 by 13 kilometer. Then distance covered by walking, she has covered 4 by 13 kilometer. Okay, then we have to calculate the total distance covered by Reena. Okay, so the total distance will be 8 by 13 plus 4 by 13. So here we will add, because these are like fractions, we will write the denominator only once, as the denominators is same. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12 by 13 kilometer is the distance which she has covered in all. Let us discuss question number 8. An ant climbs 2 by 4 meter of a plant which is 4 by 4 meter tall. If the ant wants to reach the top of the plant, how far is it from the top? अब यहाँ पे क्या क्वेश्चन है, जो प्लांट है वो 4 बाय 4 मीटर लंबा है और जो आंट है 4 बाय 4 में से 2 बाय 4 मीटर डिस्टेंस कवर कर चुकी है. तो अब कितना डिस्टेंस और उसको कवर करना है टॉप में पहुँचने के लिए? तो हमें क्या करना होगा, टोटल लेंथ में से जो डिस्टेंस अभी कवर कर चुकी है उस डिस्टेंस को हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा, सो दैट हमें पता चल जाएगा कि रिमेनिंग कितनी डिस्टेंस और बची हुई है कि उसको टॉप में पहुँचने के लिए. ओके, सो लेट अस सॉल्व इट. So here we have written the total length of the plant. Total length of the plant is 4 by 4 meter. Then we have written distance covered by the ant. How much distance it has covered? 2 by 4 meter. Now ant's distance from the top. How far is it from the top? So to calculate it we need to subtract. So here we will minus 4 by 4 minus 2 by 4. So it is, we'll write 4 ones, then 4 minus 2, that is 2 by 4. As we know that 2 and 4 both are having common factor which is 2. So here let us divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it is 1 upon 2 meter. The distance which is left now to reach the top is 1 upon 2 meter. So here we have discussed these are some of the word problems, okay, and you are going to solve these questions in your copy. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much.